Cash App has just launched this new feature where you can get 4.5% interest on money that you keep in the app. I have a bunch of previous videos on my YouTube channel if you want to learn more about this. The real thing I'm beginning to question is if 4.5% is worth it or if it's kind of a scam to keep people poor. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing this 4.5% interest to holding Bitcoin. So we're going to do $1,000 with the 4.5% interest and $1,000 with Bitcoin over 5 years. So I have this compound interest calculator. You can put in $1,000, 4.5%, compounded monthly because Cash App pays out monthly. And we're just going to set this to 5 years for this example. So we can click calculate. Also keep in mind that you have to beat inflation, and we don't even know if 4.5% a year beats inflation. The US government says the inflation is 3%. I personally don't believe that for a second. I know if I go to a grocery store, things that I'm buying are 30% to double the price that they were a year ago. So it's up for you to decide if you believe what the government says. In my opinion, 4.5%, you're not even beating inflation. It's kind of like a scam to keep us poor. But anyways, we can come to this chart. $1,000, let's say you put $1,000 in this 5 years ago, and it's been giving you this 4.5%. For 5 years now, you would be up to $1,251.80 exactly. So you made about $250 in 5 years. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Today is February 21st, so let's go to February 21st, 2019. We can see the Bitcoin price is $3,934. So we can open up a calculator, do 1,000 divided by $3,934 equals 0.254. So let's just say for this purchase, you would get 0.25 Bitcoin 5 years ago. Then we put in 0.25, which you can see is now worth $12,744 today. So purchasing Bitcoin, you would have increased your balance by $11,744. And by this 4.5% interest method, you would have made $250, but you probably would have lost money to inflation. So it's very important to think about this, understand what's going on, and know that there might be better places to put your money. There might be better assets. Bitcoin, for example, rather than putting your money in these interest things where you get 4.5% a year. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or let me know if there's other assets you want me to compare this to. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.